Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study about punctuation marks. Yes, we have already studied punctuation marks in our earlier classes, wherein we just used full stop, comma, question mark, exclamatory mark. Right? Here in 7th standard, we are going to use some more punctuation marks. Now let us first understand what is a punctuation and why is it used. Punctuation marks, why are they used? Punctuation is the art of putting in correct marks. Yes, it is an art of putting correct marks or stops like question marks or full stop in the appropriate phrases. करेक्ट जगह पे प्रॉपरली यूज़ करना चाहिए while writing, लिखने के टाइम पे. Why? So that the reader gets the correct meaning of what is written. Yes, अगर कॉमा किया तो रीडर को समझेगा कि हाँ थोड़ा पॉज दे के वापस कंटिन्यू करना है. If it is a full stop means that is the end of the topic or the sentence. Then if it is a question mark means we are asking some question. Yes, so let us go further to understand more about punctuation marks. So the first is the capital letter. Yes, now when do we use this capital letter? Yes, correct. To begin a sentence, starting letter, first letter always should be capital. The teacher always says that. See, for example, the boy was as happy as the lark. Yes, so the first alphabet is capital T. Then for proper nouns, yes, so whenever we use some proper nouns, it will always begin with capital or it will always be starting with capital letters, be it anywhere in the sentence. Not necessary कि पहला है तो ही capital बाद में सब small. No, if it is a proper noun, then compulsory it should start with capital letter. See, Reena, Yamuna, Maharashtra. Yes, they are proper nouns. That is why they are starting with capital alphabet, capital letter. Then, for words like I and those referring to God, I, whenever I am using I will always use I as capital. I हमेशा कैसा रहेगा? Capital में ही रहेगा. And God का G will be always in capital letter. Yes. So first punctuation mark is clear. मतलब first क्या है? इसका mark नहीं है. It is capital letter. हम कब use करेंगे? Beginning of a sentence like the. फिर proper nouns में Reena, Yamuna, Maharashtra, and for words like I and those referring to God, I को and God का हमेशा first letter will be capital. Yes. Now next is full stop. Yes, we all know when do we use a full stop. Full stop का निशानी कैसी है? Full stop, stop. So at the end of imperative or assertive sentence and after abbreviations and initials. सेंटेंस ख़त्म होने के टाइम पे हम लोग एक फुल स्टॉप देंगे. यस, एंड एब्रीविएशन फॉर एग्जांपल मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स MA, सो मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स को M.A. देन इनिशियल्स शॉर्ट फॉर्म ST नाइक, सो S.T. नाइक. यस, फुल स्टॉप इज क्लियर. व्हेन डू वी यूज़ दैट? देन कमिंग टू कॉमा. नाउ अभी कॉमा कब यूज़ करते हैं हम? This is the sign to mark off a quotation from the rest of the sentence in direct speech. Now in reported speech, see, Cinderella said, वो बोल रही है, so comma. Yes, so in reported speech this is the format. In direct speech especially, Cinderella said, comma, I have lost my slipper, full stop, open inverted comma, close inverted comma. Yes, so when we are talking something and we are pausing, so then we are using a comma. Then to separate clauses in a sentence, the policeman met the shopkeeper but he wasn't the thief. तो ये दो सेंटेंस है, इसको थोड़ा सा हमको पॉज देना है या अलग करना है, तो वी आर यूजिंग कॉमा. Then to separate words in the list, अलग अलग वर्ड्स है. द रिच प्रिंस ओन्ड कार्स, मोटरसाइकिल एंड बोट्स. सो कार्स, कॉमा, मोटरसाइकिल्स एंड बोट्स. यस, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग ये सब तो हमको आता है, बट स्टिल फॉर मोर डिटेल्स आई एम टीचिंग so that it would be very much clear to you and you will write it accordingly. The confectioner sold bread, biscuits, sweets, etc. So bread भी बेचता था, biscuits भी बेचता था, sweets भी बेचता था. Yes. Then to separate nouns or names used to address someone from the rest of the sentence. For example, if I am calling someone Priya, Rita, so I will be putting a comma after this noun. Yes. So did you understand when do we use a comma? Next is exclamation mark. Yes, this is the mark. So when do we use an exclamatory mark? When we are expressing something. Yes, at the start or at the end. See, hooray, it's a holiday tomorrow. हुर्रे को भी एक एक्सक्लेमेशन, टुमारो के बाद भी एक एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. इंटरजेक्शन, यस, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. आई होप यू ऑल रिमेंबर दैट. देन एट द एंड ऑफ एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, व्हाट अ कलरफुल रेनबो, एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. सो व्हेन वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग सम सडन फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस और सैडनेस, we use exclamation mark. Then comes the question mark when we are asking some questions. Yes. See, at the end of a question, what is your name, or do you have enough money for the journey, question mark. And also we use question mark during when at the end of a question tag. You all know how do we write a question tag. We write the answer, we put a comma, then we add question tag and we put a question mark there. See, Sonali is angry, comma, isn't she, question mark. Now isn't she is the question tag. So at the end of question tag, so isn't she is the question tag and I have put question mark. Yes. Then comes the dash. Dash is a bit bigger than hyphen. Hyphen छोटा है, dash थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. So it is used after a series of nouns followed by a related idea. एक ही आइडिया के बारे में अगर कुछ हम बात कर रहे हैं और उसके बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हैं, so I will be putting a dash. Now for example, dogs, cats, donkeys all followed Noah into the ark. तो ये तीन animals क्या कर रहे हैं? They followed Noah. So that is why I have put one dash. To separate an idea from another in sentence if necessary. अगर अलग अलग आइडियाज़ अलग है, थोड़ा सा मीनिंग अलग है, सो देन ऑल्सो आई विल बी पुटिंग वन डैश. इफ ओनली ही हैड कम बट इट इज़ टू लेट नाउ, बोथ आर डिफरेंट आइडियाज, सो आई एम पुटिंग डैश. नेक्स्ट इज हाइफन, a smaller one. Yes, see the difference. We put it in compound words, in some of the compound words to connect parts of a compound word. Son-in-law, mother-in-law, mouth-watering. This hyphen will not come in all the compound words, but it will come in some compound words. Yes, children? Okay, so we studied the capital letter, then about full stop, when are we supposed to use comma, then when are we supposed to use an exclamation mark, then question mark, then dash and hyphen. Yes, children? Okay, thank you.